Hello students, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. In this session, we are going to have a test on general knowledge. Okay, GK test. Let us start this test. See the first question. Who is the Prime Minister of India at present? That means as of 2021. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Yes, he is Narendra Modi. Next, second question. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? Who is called the father of Indian Constitution? Yes? Yes. He was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. B.R. Ambedkar is known as father of Indian Constitution. Next question. Who is the President of India at present? Who is the present President of India? He is, yes, Ramnath Kovind. Next question. Which state is called the sugar bowl of India? Means which state produces more sugar in our country? So that state is called the sugar bowl of India. Which is that state? Yes, it is Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Which is the National Bird of India? Yes, which is that bird? Yes, it is the peacock. Peacock is the national bird of India, isn't it? Next question. Who is the Finance Minister of India at present? I mean, in the 2020-21 year, who is the Finance Minister of India? He is, yes, Nirmala Sitharaman is our Financial Minister of India, isn't it? Next one. Which is the biggest two-digit number? Yes, which is that? Out of all the two-digit numbers, the biggest number is, what is that? Yes, it is 99. Is the biggest two-digit number. Next question. Who is the Vice President of India at the present? In this year 2020-21? Who is Vice President of India? He is, yes, Venkaiah Naidu, isn't it? Venkaiah Naidu is our Vice President of India. Next question. Which is the smallest even number? Out of all the even numbers, which is the smallest even number? Yes, it is 2. 2 is the smallest even number. Next question. Who is the Education Minister of India as of 2020-21? Who is that? Education Minister of India. He is Ramesh Pokhriyal. He is our Education Minister of India. Next one. Which Indian started the Prabuddha Bharata journal? A journal named Prabuddha Bharata was started by an Indian. Who was that? He was Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda started the Prabuddha Bharata journal. Next one. Which is a national animal of India? What is our India national animal? Yes, it is tiger. Tiger is our national animal, isn't it? Next question. Which is the national tree of India? What is our national tree? Yes, it is Banyan tree. Banyan tree is our national tree. Next question. Who is the RBI governor? RBI governor of India. Who is that? RBI in the sense Reserve Bank of India. The governor of Reserve Bank of India is Shaktikanta Das. Shaktikanta Das is our Reserve Bank of India governor. Next one. When is India's Independence Day? It is well known to us all, isn't it? We got the independence on August 15th of 1947. So Independence Day is August 15th for India. Right? Next question. Who is the Attorney General of India? Who is that? Attorney General of India? He is K.K. Venugopal. K.K. Venugopal is the Attorney General of India. Next one. Which is the second highest peak in India? The second highest peak. It is Mount Nanda Devi. It is the second highest peak in India. Okay. Next one. Who is the Foreign Minister of India? External Affairs we call that. Who is that Foreign Minister of India? As of 2020-21, he is Subramaniam Jaishankar. Subramaniam Jaishankar is a Foreign Minister of India at present. That is as of 2020-21. Okay, next one. What is the imaginary line that divides India into almost two equal parts as known? Yes, what is that imaginary line called? What is that imaginary line that divides India into almost two equal parts known as? Yes, that imaginary line is known as Tropic of Cancer. This Tropic of Cancer imaginary line divides the India into almost two equal parts. That imaginary line is known as Tropic of Cancer. Next question. Who is known as the father of nation? It is also well-known question to us. Who is the father of nation? Yes, Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Well known as Mahatma Gandhi, he is known as father of nation. He played very important role in getting independence to India. Right? Next question. Which is the tallest dam in India? We have so many dams in India. Out of these all, the tallest dam in India, it is Tehri Dam. It is the tallest dam among all the dams in India. It is present in Uttarakhand. Okay, next one. Which is the longest dam in India? Just now we have seen the tallest. Now the question is, which is the longest dam in India? It is Harakund Dam. Okay, it is constructed in Odisha. It is also known as Hirakund Dam. Okay, it is the longest dam in India. Next one. Which is the oldest dam in India? Which was constructed long back in India? So, which is the oldest dam in India? It is Kallanai Dam. It is constructed in Tamil Nadu. So it is present in Tamil Nadu. It is the oldest dam in India. Okay, next one. which is the smallest state in India? Yes, among all the states present in India, the smallest state is, what is that? Yes, it is Goa. Goa is the smallest state among all the states in India. Next question. How many cricket World Cups has India won? How many cups it won? Yes, India won 2 World Cups. One at the time of Kapil Dev and the second one recently at the time of Dhoni as captains. In their captaincies, India won 2 World Cups. Isn't it? Yes. Next one. Which reformer was associated with the Prarthana Samaj? Which reformer was associated with Prarthana Samaj? Who was that reformer? He was Atmaram Pandurang. Atmaram Pandurang was associated with Prarthana Samaj. Okay, next one. Who wrote the national anthem of India? That is Janaganamana. Who wrote that? Our national anthem was written by, yes, Rabindranath Tagore. He wrote that national anthem Janaganamana. Okay, next one. What is the capital of Uttarakhand? It is one of the states in India. What is the capital of this state? Yes, it is Dehradun. Dehradun is the capital of Uttarakhand. Next one. Which is a national flower of India? Which flower is considered as national flower of India? Yes, it is lotus. Lotus is our national flower. Next. Where does the Narmada river originate from? From which place this Narmada river originated? Yes, that place is Amarkantak. This place is located in Madhya Pradesh. From this place, the Narmada river is originated. Okay, that place name is Amarkantak. It is located in Madhya Pradesh. Next one. What is Gir National Park in Gujarat famous for? There is a zoological park with the name Gir National Park. It is present in Gujarat. It is famous for what? Yes, this Gir National Park is famous for lions. Okay, this Gir National Park is famous for lions present in it. Next one. Where is the Gateway of India located? Where is it located? Gateway of India. It is located in Mumbai in Maharashtra state. It is there in Mumbai. Gateway of India is located in Mumbai. Okay, next one. Which is the highest waterfall in India? Which is it? You can say even the tallest too. Which is the highest waterfall in India? It is Kunchikal. Kunchikal waterfall. It is present in Karnataka state. Okay, it is the highest waterfall among all the waterfalls present in India. Next one. Which is a national fruit of India? Yes. Which fruit is considered as the national fruit of India? It is mango. Mango is our national fruit. Isn't it? Mostly these fruits are available in India in the summer season. Okay, these fruits, mango fruits, are considered as a national fruit of India. Okay, next one. Which countries are separated by the Red Cliff Line? Okay, this Red Cliff Line separating two countries. What are those two countries? They are India and Pakistan. Okay, these imaginary lines were published after the independence immediately. So this Red Cliff imaginary line separating Pakistan from India. These are lines, these imaginary lines still serving as borders of India with Pakistan and Bangladesh. Okay, this Red Cliff line separating Pakistan from India. Okay, next one. The national river of India. Which river is considered as national river of India? What is that river? Yes, it is Ganga. The river Ganga is considered as national river of India. Next one. Which is the longest river bridge in India? There are so many bridges in India as we know. Out of these all, the longest river bridge in India, what is it? It is Dhola Sadia Bridge. Yes, this bridge is connecting two states, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. It is constructed on the river and it is the longest river bridge in India. Okay, Dhola Sadia Bridge. Next one. Which is the highest peak in India? Means the highest peak in India. What is it? It is Kanchenjunga. Okay, Kanchenjunga is the highest peak in India. Next one. A figure with three sides is known as a two-dimensional figure which is having three sides is known as, what do we call it? It is called a triangle, isn't it? See, there are three sides to this. So in this way, a two-dimensional shape which is containing three sides is known as a triangle. Next one. Which is also called the southernmost Himalayas. Which are called as southernmost Himalayas? Yes, they are Sivaliks. The Sivaliks are known as the southernmost Himalayas. Okay. Next. Which is the largest state of India by area? Okay. Just based upon the place. Which is the largest state of India? It is Rajasthan. But in that most of the place is as present as desert. But as by considering the area, the largest state of India is Rajasthan. Okay. Next one. What is the capital of Mizoram? What is the capital of Mizoram state? It is Aizawl. Aizawl is the capital city of Mizoram state. Okay. Next one. New Delhi is the capital of. Yes. To which it is a capital? Yes. As we know, it is New Delhi is the capital of our country, India. Isn't it? Yes. Next one. When any number is multiplied by 0, the answer would be, what will be the answer if you multiply any number with 0? What do we get answer? It will be obviously 0. If you multiply any number with 0, we get answer as 0. Right? Next one. What is another name for Sahyadris? Okay, what are these called? Sahyadris. What is the other name for these Sahyadris? that is the Western Ghats. These Sahyadri mountains are also called the Western Ghats. Next question. Where does Palk Strait lie? Where does it lie? Palk Strait? Yes, it lies in between India and Sri Lanka. Okay, this Palk Strait lie in between India and Sri Lanka. Next. Lithium deposits have been found in which Indian state recently? In one of the states, they found lithium deposits in India recently. What is that state? In which state these lithium deposits were found recently? What is that state? Yes, it is Karnataka. In Karnataka state, they found these lithium deposits recently. Okay, in Karnataka. Next one. What is the name of the pass between Kailash and Manas Sarovar? What is that pass named? There is a pass in between Kailash and Manas Sarovar. What is that pass named? It is named as Mana Pass. So there is a pass in between Kailash and Manas Sarovar. That is known as Mana Pass. Next question. Which pass links Srinagar and Leh? So there is a pass which is linking these two cities, Srinagar and Leh. What is that pass known? Yes, it is called as Zojila Pass. How narrow it is seen. So this narrow pass, Zojila Pass, connecting two cities, Srinagar and Leh. Okay, it is Zojila Pass. Next one. What is the folk dance of Andhra Pradesh called? Yes, almost so many states they are having their individual folk dances. Even Andhra Pradesh is also having a folk dance. What is that called? Folk dance of Andhra Pradesh is called Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi is the folk dance of Andhra Pradesh. Next one. Where is Lake Loktak situated? Where is Lake Loktak situated in India? Yes, it is located in Manipur. Okay, in Manipur state, this lake Loktak is present. Next one. What comes before 1000? Which number we get just before 1000? What is that number? Yes, it is 999. After this 999, we get 1000. So the number before 1000 is this triple line. We call it as 999. Next one. Where is India's permanent research station Dakshin Gangotri located? Yes, this permanent research station of India called Dakshin Gangotri. Where is it located? Yes, research station Dakshin Gangotri is located in Antarctica. Research station called Dakshin Gangotri of India is located in Antarctica. Okay. Next one. Which countries are separated by the Durand Line? Yes. Which countries are being separated by Durand Line? Yes, those two countries are Afghanistan and Pakistan. These two countries are being separated by an imaginary line called Durand Line. It is serving as the border of these two countries, Afghanistan and Pakistan. Okay, next one. A figure which has no sides and no corners is called. What do we call these two-dimensional shapes which do not have any sides or corners? What do we call them? Yes, they may be called either as circles or ovals. So observe these two here, circle and oval. These two are having no sides and even no corners also, isn't it? So these shapes are called either circles or ovals. Next one. Where cities are called the twin cities of India. So actually it is which cities are called as the twin cities of India. What are those two cities, famous cities? Yes, they are Hyderabad and Secunderabad. These two cities are known as twin cities of India. Next one. 1 kilogram is equals to how many grams? Is it? So just conversion of kilograms into grams they are asking here. How many grams we get for 1 kilogram? So here in the name it is there kilo. Kilo represents 1000. If we say kilogram means 1000 grams. So 1 kilogram equals to 1000 grams. Okay. Next. Lord Buddha was born in. Where did he born? Lord Buddha was born in Lumbini, which is located in Nepal. In Nepal country, in the city Lumbini, Lord Buddha was born. Okay. Next one. A figure with 4 equal sides is called. What do you call the two-dimensional figure with 4 equal sides? We call those as squares. A square contains 4 sides which are equal. Okay, a figure with 4 equal sides is called a square. Next one. The smallest 2-digit number is. So among all the 2-digit numbers, the smallest 2-digit number is. What is it? Yes, it is 10. 10 is the smallest 2-digit number. Earlier we have seen the highest 2-digit number or the biggest 2-digit number. What was that? We have seen it is 99. Here they asked again about the smallest 2-digit number. It is 10. Okay. Thank you children. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.